I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need.
It's like 11, and I'm not gonna fucking lie, I've had like 4 cupcakes, so there's one more left. Yeah, but somebody else ate like, there's like more, so somebody else had like 6 of them, so don't just blame me. I'm dressed for yesterday. There's 23 days left of school. Now there's 22. Sadly. I put my hair in like a bun, kind of. Okay. Well, look like a little pumpkin. I need to eat.
They have pop-ups? Were you a pop-up?
Me and Larry Bird are going outside. Go ahead. Go. Oh, hi. Do you? I have to pick him up because he can't. He's too small to get up here. Hi. Hi, Larry. What is happening out there? And I love how the couches are, they're so close together he can just walk. You can just walk over to this couch. Because of this right here. You can just walk over. Look at that. Look who came to join us. Get going crazy. He's doing a good boy. So guys, you know, so everyone was supposed to get back at 5 and then go to this bar party thing. It's 8:19. Booked till 5. They were there till like 7. They just got to the bar. They didn't even stop at home, which is actually fine because I'm just hanging out with them. But where is my mother? I transitioned. I'm dressed. I'm trying to turn my mirror off. My sandals are from Amazon. These are like, they found the Hollister, I don't know. This is Target, this is Target Mart. So let's go. Never just bring you water, so I also made myself a Shirley Temple. We're going to the beach. Shut the fuck up. You both look so happy. Smile. Mike, smile. Nico, smile. Yeah, Mike, how much money did you get from the Tooth Fairy?
$5.
$5? Damn.
I spent it.
What did you buy? A car on your game. You should have went to Five Below.
I didn't buy this.
You should go, next time go to Dollar Tree and get 5 things. Or like 4. Girl, what? Just kidding. Fresh seawater. Michael, do you smell the water?
No.
This is the beach. It's actually kind of cold. And I'm not even out of my clothes yet, and I'm cold. Oh, there's people walking. Here she comes. Toe reveal. Stop. I don't like the way you're saying it though.
I don't know. I don't know the word.
I can't listen to you say it. Alright, bro, let's go. I just removed this from the sand. This is a big rock. Oh, there's another rock right here. I'm not trying to show everybody else. This fucking shovel barely works. I'm like, there's so much pressure.
I picked up an item.
Let me see.
Rock.
How do you feel about your prawn? Oh. Did you just trash it?
What?
You throw it away? This is, it's like the head of, like the outside of a crab.
I'm holding a crab.
Ta-da!
I use that.
Eat it.
No. Looking at you. Crab.
I came up here. It's literally just rocks. There's some beach. Jump.
Every time I look into
Okay, bitch.
your eyes, I see it.
This is what we were looking for. Mike.
Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
Mike, he's gonna do a dive. Ready? Go.
Bro, I would act way different.
It's because he's special, right, Mike? Mike,
You act different.
Mike, it's because you're special, right? Or like dirty diarrhea peed.
I'm gonna have diarrhea on Maddie.
What?
Minecraft's really gross.